How to edit a PDF document on your MacBook for free. So this will work on both MacBook Pro and also MacBook Air. Now, first thing you need to do is close out of your PDF document, and we're just going to open up an internet browser like so. Now head over to the website google.com and make sure you're signed in to your Google account. You can then click on Google Apps in the top right hand side and click on Drive. You then need to select New and click on File Upload. Now locate the PDF document that you want to edit. So mine's this one here. Go and double click on it. In the bottom right hand side, you'll see the upload status. Once it's finished uploading, you can click on your PDF document and you can select Open with Google Docs. Now this will convert the PDF into a Word document. So now that it's a Word document, you can actually edit this PDF. So you can see I can go and change the text. I can also add text and images as well. Once you're finished editing, click on File, click on Download and select PDF document. This will resave all of your changes and convert it back into a PDF.